Hi Applied Maths students, welcome to our channel Maths Plus U. My continuation video pa Exercise 3.2 Application of Derivative. This is question number 8. A spherical iron ball 10 cm in radius is coated with a layer of ice. Layer is coated on uniform thickness. Uniform thickness they have given when the thickness of the ice is 5 cm. Find the rate at which the thickness of ice decreases. Clear children what is they talking? So now small this they're talking about spherical shell, that means hollow sphere. So the radius is 10 centimeter, you can get from the question, and capital R. Okay, so that is nothing but 10 plus h. You understand why we have considered that is h. Then that h value we will substitute as 5. First we are considering it as h. You can ask me, sir, thickness is 5. So h you can consider 5 and you can move, no sir, like that you can ask me. But the thing is, they are asking what? Find the rate at which the thickness of ice decreases. The same concept in question number 7 also I think I have explained you. Okay, rate at which the thickness of ice decreases. So if you consider the thickness of ice, that is normally h now, rate at which it is decreases is nothing but what? dh by dt. So that's what we wanted to find. So h value now itself you've applied as 5, then you won't get dh by dt, one thing. And after completing this only, when the thickness is 5, find the rate at which the thickness of ice decreases. So the 5 is supposed to substitute after. So only the capital R we have considered as a 10 plus h. Then volume of the hollow sphere 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. We are differentiating as usual with respect to t, children. So we are differentiating with respect to t na dv by dt 4 by 3 pi d by dt of r cube minus r cube. So r cube and r cube we are going to differentiate 4 by 3 pi, yeah. So first r capital R value we substituted before differentiating 10 plus h whole cube minus 10 cube. Then 4 by 3 pi, we all know, children, x cube differentiation 3x square. So 3 times 10 plus h whole square. Then inside we will differentiate x cube differentiation 3x square, then x differentiation we all know into 1. Like that 10 plus h whole cube we are differentiating now. What will come? 3 times 10 plus h whole square into 10 differentiation 0, h differentiation 1 into dh by dt. Did you understand what we are talking? So in that way we are getting the answer as 3 into 10 plus h whole square into dh by dt. How we got dh by dt is important because we are differentiating chain rule. Inside we are differentiating 10 differentiation 0 and h differentiation 1 into dh by dt. Remember, we are doing implicit function. We are not differentiating with respect to h, we are differentiating with respect to t, time. So this step you understood now, then it's easy only for you. What we are doing next, just 3 and 3 gets cancelled and we got 4 pi 10 plus h whole square. Keep the dh by dt this side itself, multiplication goes outside na division. Now we found dh by dt, now we can apply the 5. So very important, don't say I applied 5 itself, I don't know where dh by dt itself, don't say. First we should not apply the value of h, now only we are applying. If you question number 7 you understood, this also definitely will understand. Cancel and get the value of minus 1 by 18 pi centimeter per minute. As we always said, last sum also we said, since negative answer you are getting, you suppose write it as decreases and writing the value of positive. So it decreases at 1 by 18 pi. In question also they said decreases 1 by 18 pi. Na? In the value when you are writing minus 1 by 18 pi we should write. Clear, check children? Any doubts is there you can ask. Go for the next question. Nice. A stationery company manufactures X units of pen in a given time. Super. Cost of raw material is square of the pens produced. Square pens we have to square to get the cost of raw material. Cost of transportation is twice. You know difference? Twice, not multiple with 2. Square na you are going to multiply 2 times. Okay, the number of pins produced and the property tax cost rupees 5,000. Find the cost function, find the cost of producing 21st pin, marginal cost. Marginal cost we already discussed. Rate of change of cost is nothing but marginal cost. So we consider cost of raw material. Cost of raw material is what? First, how much they produces is x units of pen. So there is no point of which variable, x only. Cost of raw material is square of pen. So cost of raw material is square of the pen. Now pen is x na, then cost of raw material is x square. Did you all agree with me? Yes. Then cost of transportation is twice the number of pen. So 2x. Children, we should not change the variable. They given you x. Stationery company manufactures x units. You should not change it as x as y or z or something else. They given the variable now. We should not change that variable. If they are not given, you can take your own variable. So x square to x, property tax they said 5,000. So very simple first subdivision. What's our first subdivision if you ask now? First subdivision is as simple as it is going to add all the three things. What and all three things you are adding? X square. So I want to find the overall cost function. We going to spend for raw material x square. We're going to spend for transportation 2x. We're going to spend for pay the property tax 5,000. Add all the three things over C of x, cost of producing 21st pin. So 21st pin alone I wanted to find what is the cost of producing. First question you understood, children. For 21st pin producing, how much cost they are asking? What question like that asking? The cost of producing 21 pins, till 21 pins you want to find, minus cost of till 20 pins you are finding what is the cost. That's subtracting only. It's like what we can say, finding the 21st term or something when we have only sum of 21 terms minus sum of 20 terms, like that concept. But here you want to remember for cost. So cost of producing 21st pen na, C of 21 minus C of 20. Suppose 50th pen na, then you have to write C of 50 minus C of 49. Then hereafter it's easy, children. Just to substitute it on the value. On 21 you have to substitute in the C of x, and 20 you have to substitute, subtract it, and we got the answer as 43. Check whether you're getting it correctly or not. Only thing you have to remove cost of producing 21st pen, we have to subtract like this. MC, marginal cost, d by dx of C of x. So going to differentiate the cost function. Then you have to apply the value of x equals to 50. So differentiate, you know children, marginal cost na rate of change of cost function. So differentiate and tell me now. X square differentiation 2x, 2x differentiation 2 into 1, 5,000 constant differentiation 0. So we got 2x plus 2. Apply x equals to 50. Once we applied x equals to 50 na, 2 into 50 plus 2. 100 plus 2 we got a value as 102. So marginal cost we found as rupees 102 is clear. Kindly check it. I hope it's easy. The 10th one ma, a firm knows that the price per unit P, one of its product, is linear. So price again they said it as P and it's linear. It also know that it has sell 1400 units. Price is rupees 4 unit, and it can sell 1800 unit if the price is rupees 2 per unit. Find the price per unit if x units are sold. Also find the revenue function and marginal revenue function. So they given dates are given as x is 1400 now P is 4. When P is 4, x is 1500. And P is 2, x is 1800. Since they said P price is a linear function, we consider P as ax plus b. Apply the P value 4. 4 equals 1400 a plus b. Then apply 2, 1800 a plus b. I hope you understood. When P is 4, a is 1000. Sorry, x is 1000. When P is 2, x is 1800. Substituted. Elimination method ma. Plus b minus b cancelled. 1400 minus 1800 will be minus 400. 4 minus 2, 2. Multiplication minus 400 comes the same division. So a equals to 2 and 400 cancel. A equals to minus 1 by 200. Substitute the value of a. If you are substituting, cancel properly pa. And 0, 0 and all this cancel. Now 4 equals to minus 1 plus b. Minus 1 goes to plus 7. So b equals to 11. Substitute it in p equal to ax plus b. Then apply r equals to px. So minus 1 by 200 x into x plus 11x. Children, we have to remember this formula. Revenue equals to price into what? How many units you produced? X. So both you multiply. So once we got the revenue now only we can find the marginal revenue. So once you have multiplied, so always revenue is what? Px. P we found. X we adjust x we going to multiply. So minus 1 by 200 x into x. 11 into x. Just x alone we multiply, nothing else. So p is there now that you are going to multiply with x. We got minus 1 by 200 x square and 11x. Now you're going to differentiate this. I hope the differentiation is easy for you. X square differentiation 2x and x differentiation 1. Can you cancel 2 and 200? Then you're going to get it as marginal revenue as minus x by 100 plus 11. Easier check, children. So if you have doubt you can ask me. I said practice sums I will give. Actually the practice sums I have given from you NCERT book, General Maths itself. This is there in the exercise application of derivatives. So kindly solve these sums. So, and if you have a doubt you can ask and clarify because it's important. So question number 6. Actually question number 7 is like that model. We have already done it, somewhat related, you know. If you start solving, I think question number 10 also, ladder is 5 meter long, that also we have discussed. Some other sums we may not discuss, children, but you try it, because usually applied maths students should not believe only applied mathematics textbook. We should, wherever NCERT textbook is the same syllabus covered, we should study NCERT, because don't expect the question paper setter taking only applied maths. Definitely they will do general mathematics, so that they will take it as guidance. So 18 sums are there, you do it. If you have a doubt you can ask and clarify. Kindly forward to applied mathematics friends, it will be useful for them. Thank you.